Hey all, welcome back to the workbench. Um, I was hoping to have a T90 rebuild video for you this week, but I got a problem with parts. So this is my brand new synchronizer assembly, straight out of the bag, right off the shelf, brand new. And that is what I've got for blocking rings. It's a little bit better if you look at this side, I guess. That'll focus. Yeah, this is all sorts of corroded and destroyed. We look at the other side, it's actually even worse. Brand new, bad parts. Looks like whatever supplier the unnamed distributor of Jeep parts gets their stuff from. They did not use a yellow metal safe oil when they oiled this thing up and bagged it up for shipping. It's just funny that my 30-year-old soaked in oil and water for a long time, have bits and pieces of metal embedded in them, rings are in way better shape than those brand new ones. Can't use these though, I wish I could. So that's part one of bad parts. Part two is, I think, one part shipping damage, one part bad product. This is one of those Omix ADA cluster gears, and it arrived to me with several of these teeth just dented and damaged, like the metal. I hope that comes up on the camera. The metal is actually upset there. It has been hit hard enough that it mushed in the metal instead of chipping it. And what that tells me, and a couple of people on the forums concur, is that this was not heat treated properly. It's too soft. So this thing would not stand up. It's funny because, this is the cluster gear I'm replacing, and when I compare this one to this brand new one, this thing suddenly looks great. I still can't use it because of all the destruction here and on the inside from all that circulating metal plus some wear. But this thing is almost in way better shape than that. So there's not really much to say. The only thing I was really able to accomplish was getting the new main gear with the washer on here the correct way and this new bearing pressed on. Unfortunately, the snap ring pliers I have, which are just a cheap Husky brand, these have worked okay for removal, but they are not working well to put the new one on. So I'm kind of stuck right now until I get replacement blocking rings from that supplier, who for now will remain nameless. And once I get that in and get a new cluster gear, they're going to send me a new cluster gear. Actually, I just discovered something interesting. This is the old one, new one. Sounds totally different. Now, whether that means anything, I don't know. But that's all for now. The update is there is no update. Maybe I'll see you guys next weekend.